Hello and welcome, YouTube friends. Today is Saturday, the 10th of February. Time is around, I would say 9:30 a.m. Temperature is around 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. We've had a bit of snow, but as you can probably tell, at least in a minute, it is melting, going away, which I'm very pleased about. Today I'm taking you to a little garden, I was about to say, or a park. There we go. It's right in front of us, and it's called it's the Botanical Gardens of Copenhagen. See if we can get a sign here. I was thinking about doing this park in the spring, since it's definitely going to be a lot prettier in the spring. However, I am on an errand today, and I am heading in this direction anyway, so I thought I might bring my camera and do a little tour here. Let me just get a picture of this for my Instagram. There we go. I haven't been in here in years, so I think we're just gonna wing it and walk around a little bit to see what we can find. But I might come back in the summer or late summer then, just to get a different view of the gardens of the park. It is maybe the least interesting part of year to go to this park, but yeah, that's what it's like living in the north. It's all right. Maybe let's see what's up here. It's a little stream. I could imagine this would be really pretty come spring and summer. Yeah, so maybe I should come back. Let's go all the way to the top to see if maybe we're lucky we have a view or something from up here. have to be really careful here. And even though it's not freezing, it's just above 1 or 2 degrees. It's really windy today, so yeah, I'm gonna be sniffing as per usual because it's really cold. Let's go this way. I was hoping actually that there'd be a few, well, I don't know flower names in English, but a few of the very, very early spring flowers peeping up, but it doesn't appear to be the case. Yeah, I seem to remember it's either closed or it costs money, so it's not gonna be today, but maybe we can take an extended tour this spring or summer. But there's like a, what do they call it in English, a palm house. I'm not sure actually I've ever been in there. So I'm not quite sure what the attraction is, but apparently it's what lures people in, so maybe we should give it a go later in the season. Are any of you guys botanically interested? I mean, do you know something about botanic? Because alas, I don't. I have to be careful again now. Oh man, I should have put on my boots. Yeah. Is it just me, or does this look like supper? Let's see if I can pass peacefully. They don't have wee ones yet. When they do, they can get quite aggressive. I guess that'll be another couple of months until that's the case. There's another statue. Let me get another picture. Hang on. Alright, will I be able to walk this way without getting... Maybe let's try it. Just walk really slow. See if we can get to the bridge this way. Let's try it out. Today's not going to be the longest walking tour because, like I said, I have errands. So that's what I thought. I would just rummage around this park for a little while. But as a teaser, where I'm headed is to a museum that I used to like a lot, but I haven't been there in years. So I thought I'd visit today. And yes, I have my camera with me. So that'll be a different episode. So if you like museums, stay tuned. I think it'll be up the week after this if everything goes to plan. We'll see. As you can see, the weather is grey and dismal, very Nordic. But I guess weather-wise, I mean, Denmark being in the north, we are pretty lucky because we're in the southern part of the north, if you can call it that. And we're a small country and we're surrounded by a lot of water, which means, considering that we're this far north, we actually have pretty mild weather here. You have to get an inland, like Norway or Sweden and a bit further north, then trust me, they have winters. I'm sure this passageway, or whatever we could call it, it's pretty in the summer too. Another statue. Let's walk this way. They're apparently building some new stuff over there. Hope they're done by spring, so it'll look like a park and not a building site. Careful now. Just want to get a shot from my Instagram of the statue. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what they're building here. Maybe, I don't know. But I'll pan my camera. Maybe you can see it behind the green wall and the trees. There's a building over there. This is actually the museum we're going to. But like I said, more of that hopefully next week. All right, you guys. Short one this week. Like I said, I'm heading to the museum for you guys to hopefully enjoy next week. So I'm gonna end this walk here. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, we'll see you all. I'll see you all at the museum next week. Bye, guys.